everyone, welcome back to Sarah J. Awesome. I'm so excited to finally be doing this. I've been talking about my matte glass screen protector for basically a couple weeks now, and I have not had the time to get around to installing this, but I'm finally going to do it today, especially since I'm going to be making some full self-driving subscription videos, and I think it's going to be super easy to install. This company that sent me this matte glass screen protector is the same exact company that sent me my Tesla puddle lights and my LED lights for my trunk. This company is now called Supercharged Accessories, formerly known as TeslaPuddleLights.com. So without further ado, let's get this glass screen protector installed. Now, I am a one-woman show, so I'm going to do the best that I can filming all of this stuff. First off, let's take a look at the box here. For Tesla Model 3 and Y matte glass screen protector. You can also scan this QR code in the back for instructions. Okay, so when we open this up, first we have these cleaning towelettes here. We also have some stickers for placement, and we have these stickers to remove dust as well. And then we also have a microfiber cloth. And then here we have the glass screen protector. First, we're going to remove this other screen protector. So this is what it currently looks like. There can be quite a bit of a glare, especially if there was sun coming in through my side windows over here. But right now my house is blocking direct sunlight from hitting my screen. And then if we put it in screen cleaning mode, you can really see how disgusting it is. It's basically like a mirror, this screen, when it's glossy. It's very important that you cool your car off before you get in as much as you can. I left my AC on full blast for about 20 minutes. And when you install the screen protector, you're going to want to turn your AC completely off. And it's probably going to get hot because it's summer, but do you see these little pieces of lint flying around? You don't want these to stick to the screen right before you apply your new screen protector. My car is actually pretty clean. It's just no matter what you do, there's going to be dust flying around in your car. Oh, it's so staticky. Wow, look. The static is just pulling it right back to the screen. Ugh, that's not good because I don't want to get dust all over here. That's actually from me being an idiot and letting it flop back on there, showing the static electricity. I'm gonna do the microfiber cloth first. I guess because this cloth is brand new, I actually would not use their cloth. It seems to be putting some microfiber on there itself. So let's go ahead and start with wet wipe number 1. I definitely recommend doing this in the shade just because it's so freaking hot in the summertime right now. But my brother, his cows actually just got out, and so I'm about to go drive an hour to help him round up his cattle. So the cows are out again, y'all. So I do see some smudging on here. Oh my god, so it actually got so hot in here that my phone overheated while recording, and I had to turn the AC on for a few minutes. So I'm gonna try to finish going through this. I'm gonna just finish getting off all the dust, which of course there's more now because I had to turn the freaking AC on. Doing this in the heat of the day in Texas was definitely a bad idea, but I could not wait any longer to get this screen on. I'm so excited about it. Beautiful. Then what we're gonna do, you have these guide stickers here. I'm just gonna use all of them, so why not? Then we're gonna open up our glass screen protector. Now, I do kind of worry that by placing this down, I don't want any dust that's already on here to stick to my clean screen. So I'm actually gonna kind of go around and wipe this dust off of here, and I'm gonna clean this off again after. This screen is not symmetrical. The top of the screen is not the same shape as the bottom of the screen. The top or the bottom is bowed a little bit. I can't remember which one it is, but it's not visible to the naked eye, but when you try to put a screen protector on the wrong way, you'll be able to tell. You want to spread your thumb and your pointer finger out to kind of stabilize it from tilting from side to side. Then we're gonna just push these down like this. Oh, I'm so nervous. And basically we want that to hold this to where it's in the right place when we lift the screen up to remove the backing. It looks pretty good. All right, let's do this. What we're gonna do now is lift this up very gently. And what I was worried about is if this had put any lint on here, which it did. So we're gonna go back with our little dust grabber again. All right, that looks pretty good. Let me show you what I'm doing. If you just put your fingertip right here on the corner, then it will kind of peel down. And then you're gonna peel that off. I'm gonna check for dust one last time. I don't see any. Try very hard not to touch the bottom of the glass where the adhesive is. Holy. Holy. Okay, apparently I did not do that right. Or it might be that it's way too hot in here and the adhesive is not sticking. Like these little stickers may not be holding it. I've had quite a few issues because it's freaking 100 degrees outside right now. This is not their fault. I think that you should definitely do this in the shade or in your garage where it's cool or something. Okay. Okay, so we have lined it up again. Oh my god. Alright. You guys, don't be impatient like me and try to do this when it's freaking 100 degrees outside. It's probably also because I didn't lift it straight up like this. No, it's because they're too hot. Ugh. Okay, so these are melting because it's so freaking hot in here. And I hate myself right now because I was trying to rush and get this video done. It's not turning out very well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this guy because these little guys are melting like me in this freaking hot car. Okay, third time's a charm. Thank goodness they give you several of these stickers. This is really for people like me that screw everything up. Honestly, I feel like I need to just take these off and use them to collect the lint because I'm gonna need this to hold this on. All right, jeez. Mother. I really do not want to have to turn my AC back on again because it's just gonna blow more dust around in here. Definitely, for God's sake, do not do this in a hot car. I'm going to get reinforcements. I'm going to get painter's tape. This cannot possibly fail me, right? I will say this glass is actually really tough because I've been like wiggling around. I dropped it. When I installed my other screen, it was in the winter time. So I didn't have these freaking issues with, you know, the heat. Melting my stickers and melting my skin. Oh my gosh. Are y'all as frustrated as I am? I am freaking burning up in here. Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna try this one last freaking time. And then I'm gonna pull my hair out. Not really, but maybe. Gently lift that. Get all the dust off here. For the millionth freaking time. Oh my god, it's so hot. I blame the cows. If this doesn't work, I freaking give up. Not really, I can't give up because if the screen gets damaged, it's like over $1,300, so just kidding. Painter's tape Seems to be working for now. Y'all, I am so frustrated. Okay, let me try to hold it like this. You want to hold even pressure across the top like this, because earlier I was just holding it on one side and that's why it fell off. Oh dear God, let this work. We're gonna run our finger down the middle like this and watch the magic happen. Thank God it's on. Ugh. Lord have mercy. Can you see the bubble just going away? That is impressive. We still have one bubble here, but if you get a bubble like this one here, what you're going to do is just lift up on the corner like this and then just slowly let it back down and let it work itself out. Beautiful. Oh my God, it's on. Oh, Texas heat and glass screen protector, no worky. I don't see any bubbles at all. I don't see any lint. It fits perfectly. All right, now what we want to do is get all this tape off of us that's stuck to everything. We're gonna hold to exit. It's actually pretty beautiful. I still love my glossy screen, but this is so much better. There's no glare at all. There's no reflection. I can't see any fingerprints when I touch it. Let's pull this sunshade down for a second and see if we have any reflection. Do you see any reflection at all? That is amazing. Wow. I think it looks really, really good. It doesn't seem dim at all to me. I don't know about y'all, but let's look at the display. It is up 100%. That's 47%. Even 47% still looks good. So that's great. I was really worried about losing some brightness with this. Man, I'm so glad that's over. It looks perfect though. It's gorgeous. We didn't lose any detail at all, it looks like. It looks so good. I am so happy with this screen protector, even though, oh my gosh, it was a freaking nightmare getting it on, but that's not their fault. It's this Texas sun. There is something that I want to add here. Even though this one seems to be perfect, I'm going to show y'all how to reset your screen just to be on the safe side. There's a lot of ways to reset your car, but this is my favorite way to reset just the screen. You're just going to put your fingers on these two scroll buttons here, and you're going to hold down. Hold down on them until the screen goes black, and then let off. So even though your little voice command pops up, just keep holding down on both of these buttons at the same time. When the screen goes black, let off the buttons, and then it's going to turn back on its own. But it takes quite a few seconds for it to do this. The first time I ever did this on my car, I didn't really know how to do it, and I thought that I broke my car. And I was on camera when I did it, and I think it was when I installed my first screen protector. So it's rebooting now. You don't have to do anything. It will automatically come back on by itself when you do it this way. And it looks perfect. No issues with the screen. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video and all the mistakes and all the things that you can avoid when you put your screen protector on. Man, it is freaking hot here. Like super, super hot. It almost destroyed this whole thing. I have to hurry up and leave here now and go try to put the cows up at my family's house in this freaking heat. Ugh. but it was totally worth it. This screen is absolutely beautiful. It solved all of my reflection issues, the fingerprint issues. It looks beautiful. It doesn't look like I lost any brightness. It doesn't look like I really lost any detail at all. I am super, super happy with it, even though it was a nightmare getting it on, but I don't think that that's the product's fault at all. I think it's just because it's so freaking hot here right now. Let me know what you think about the matte glass screen protector versus the glossy screen protector. I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see y'all next time. Well, we're gonna go see if the cows are still out. And we are literally in the middle of nowhere. We don't even have an address here. We don't even have a street name. I have to say, off-roading in a Tesla is like the most fun I've ever had. Watch this. Oh, it's so fun. Pothole. I actually went all the way down this driveway in the dark one night using only the backup camera around this curve here and everything in the dark, no problem. There's my family. Oh, they are babies.